Hi everyone. In this video, we'll be talking about one of the most iconic and powerful animals, grizzly bears. We'll take a closer look at these amazing creatures, where they're found, their characteristics, behavior, and conservation efforts. Grizzly bears, also known as North American brown bears, are large, powerful mammals that are native to North America. They are a subspecies of the brown bear and are named for their distinct grizzled fur, which can range in color from light brown to almost black, and a distinctive shoulder hump that is made of muscle and helps them dig for food. Grizzly bears are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. Some of their favorite foods include berries, nuts, roots, fish, and small mammals. Grizzly bears are found in North America, primarily in Alaska and western Canada, as well as in some parts of the United States. They prefer forested areas, but they can also be found in tundra, grasslands, and even coastal areas. Grizzly bears are solitary animals, except during the mating season and when a female is raising her cubs. They are also excellent swimmers and climbers, and they can run up to 30 miles per hour, making them one of the fastest land animals. Grizzly bears are large animals, with males weighing between 300 to 600 kilograms, 660 to 1,320 pounds, and females weighing between 150 to 300 kilograms, 330 to 660 pounds. They have a hump on their back, which is made of muscle and helps to power their front legs. They also have long, curved claws that are ideal for digging and catching prey. Grizzly bears were once widely hunted and their populations greatly reduced, but they are now protected under the Endangered Species Act in the United States. While their populations have been slowly recovering in some areas, they still face threats from habitat loss, human-bear conflicts, and climate change. Conservation efforts for grizzly bears include habitat protection, conflict prevention strategies, and public education. Some organizations also work to reduce human-bear conflicts by promoting responsible outdoor practices, such as properly storing food and garbage while camping and hiking. In conclusion, grizzly bears are fascinating and powerful animals that play an important role in North American ecosystems. It's important that we continue to work to protect and conserve them for future generations. Thank you for watching this video about grizzly bears. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.